Hey everyone, are you flushing money down the toilet with a vacant property? I'm Fryga with Tide Property Management, and in a previous video, I've covered how to prevent vacancy with your rental property. Let's say that ship has sailed and you're already in a vacant property. What do you do? Number one is let's make sure we're marketing as well as we can. This includes professional photos. I know a lot of times people like to drag their feet with professional photography, but it is really going to help your property. And it's something you can use year after year and turn after turn. And to be honest, a couple of days of vacancy are going to cover the cost of professional photos. Next is making sure your home is rent ready. If you're doing showings and it looks like a construction zone, cleaning supplies, ladders, it's not going to show well. Even if those items will obviously be removed before the resident moves in, it's just not a good look. And then this also applies to curb appeal. A lot of times people will be driving by your property to see what it looks like. And if it hasn't been pressure washed, you've got 3 feet of grass in the front yard, it's not going to set the tone well for the relationship. Lastly, and probably the most important, is the follow-up and prompt response to inquiries. There are so many times where people are looking at multiple properties, 5, 6, 7, 10 properties at a time. And if you're the first one to respond to them, it's going to allow them to engage with you and get their attention and also set the tone of the relationship for the entirety of the lease. If you're prompt to respond, it's a good look on you as a landlord. So they know, well, if a maintenance request comes up, they're going to be quick to respond and address that issue. These are just a couple items, and obviously there's a ton of in-depth items within each topic. So I would love to kind of do a deep dive with you, see how we can help get your property filled and answer any questions you might have. I'm Fryga with Tide Property Management, and we look forward to hearing from you.